So I was unsuccessful with attempting to install this, and I think the reason is, so if I come over here, there's air between the hubcap and the metal piece, and when I put this one on, let me get it semi-aligned. Look at this. So I need to press it in further, and it's touching the metal. So I don't actually know if this is gonna work. Yes. So there we go. I might be going back. I don't know if I can return it. Oh. My dad, I told my dad that I got these, and he was like, well, I was thinking of getting you hubcaps for your birthday. And I was like, if these don't work, is that still an option? Although I should probably check. I'm gonna see if they have any options with more height, but so I think they might be too flat. Yeah. And I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi of Seattle, and this is attempting hubcap installation on Monday, 21 July 2025 on my Toyota Corolla LE.